Hello everyone, it's Thursday, July 6th as you're watching this, and tomorrow is the start of Expo PNW in Redmond, Oregon. Now, if you are not attending Expo PNW, this video probably isn't going to be of a lot of interest to you, so if you want to click away, no problem. I understand. As you're watching this, I've actually already been in Central Oregon for some days. I had stuff to do starting on Monday, so I didn't have time this week to pull together a full, real video. But I wanted to tell you about Expo PNW, where you can find me, and some other stuff you may want to see while you're there. Me and the truck will be in the Asphere 4x4 booth. That is booth B41. Say hi, look at the truck, and chat. I should be there most of the time. If I'm not there, I may be wandering around. You may find me at the Topo Toppers booth. They are A103. And a special treat this year, All Dogs Off-Road is going to be at Expo PNW. They don't normally make the trip all the way over here. They normally just do Mountain West, but Chad from All Dogs Off-Road is here in Oregon, and he's a great guy. Definitely go and say hi to him, and you may just find me hanging out there as well. Also wander over to see the Yankum Ropes booth. I'll certainly be stopping in there from time to time. And if you're in the market for any sort of recovery gear, whether it's kinetic rope or winch line, other items used in recovery, Yankum Ropes is a great family company. They make all this stuff in the US, just right over here in Idaho. Super, super nice people. Stop by and take a look at what they're doing. Separate from All Dogs Off-Road, Coney Shocks actually has a booth at Expo PNW. I run Coney's 82 series shocks on the truck. In the Coney booth, you will find the Moleisure X Ventures Xterra. So that's my friends Enoch and Delia, who cut a hole in the roof of their Xterra and mounted a rooftop tent, and now have a full stand-up camper in their Nissan Xterra. So that rig will be in the Coney booth, B173. Now, Enoch from Moleisure Adventures is actually working in the Asphere 4x4 booth. So if you come see me at Asphere, you can meet Enoch there. And Enoch is just the nicest, most super chill guy, super, super knowledgeable. He is the guy that I talk to anytime I need to figure out how to fix something on the truck. I talk to Enoch and he talks me through it every single time. You can see Enoch at Asphere, but you can see his rig at Coney. Also, if you've had any thoughts of any kind of 4x4 van, I know a lot of you also watch my friend Jason, Primal Outdoors, 4x4 van camping. You could stop by and talk to the people at Quigley. Also super, super nice people. They are in booth F67. So if you come by the Asphere booth and I am not there, you may find me at any one of those other places that I just named. Those are all people that I'm excited to see again. I'm going to go visit with all of them, and hopefully I'll see you someplace there at the show. So if you're in the Pacific Northwest and you're still kind of on the fence about whether or not to attend Overland Expo PNW, if you've never been to one of these Overland Expos before, I'm going to tell you a little bit about my experience, because I avoided going to the expos for years. I thought that it was just going to be, a bunch of people trying to sell me stuff, and I didn't want to go and feel like I needed to spend money on stuff. I didn't feel hugely compelled to go to any of the expos until an opportunity came up a couple of years ago to attend Expo West. I enjoyed the whole thing much more than I expected. Now, the very first one that I went to, it was a little overwhelming for sure, because it's a lot of sensory input, a lot of stimulus. But then after attending my second expo, I really sort of sunk into it more and had a better feel for it. And I've been to 2 of these events so far, and I didn't buy anything at either. I went and looked at all kinds of stuff. All I came home with was ideas for stuff that I wanted to DIY. You don't have to feel like it's a thing where you're gonna go and have to spend a bunch of money. Now, if you're in the market for something, it's a great opportunity to find some new solutions, possibly products you don't know about, and many of the vendors offer some kind of discounts for buying when you're at the expo. So, if you are in the market for something, it's a great opportunity to look and get hands-on products rather than just looking at stuff online. And also just talking to the people of these companies. A lot of times it's the owners and founders who are running these booths, and you can just get a better feel for who these companies are, by talking to the people. Then the best part is just the whole thing is populated by like-minded people who like to do what you and I like to do. It's really a pleasure to be among so many people who sort of share the same passion and share the same interest. And you know, you can sit down and start talking to like any random person, and you've made a new friend. It's just such a great community. I've had just such positive experiences with this. If you're iffy about it, I would encourage you to give it a try, at least for a day. Even if you don't come and camp, you know, for 3 days on the grounds, come try one day and see what you think. But it is a lot of fun to camp, and the expo grounds in Redmond, Oregon are very nice. It's grassy. It's not dirt and pavement like it is in Flagstaff. It's really a very nice venue. It's a circular sort of grounds, and so it's very easy to get from one point to someplace else. It's very easy to see everything. It's not as nearly as spread out as the Flagstaff show is, if you've been to that. I'm super excited to be going back again this year. I don't think you'll regret it. And if you are going to Overland Expo PNW, I would highly recommend getting their app and putting it on your phone. It's a free app. It works really well. It transforms the experience. The first expo I went to, I don't know if they had the app and I just didn't know about it, or they didn't have an app yet. I tried to navigate around just using their paper handout. The app makes it so much easier. You can search up any exhibitor and it will show you where on the map they are. Also, you can just look at the map and you can click on any booth and see who's there. Like, for example, last night I was looking around and seeing who my neighbors are around the Asphere 4x4 booth. There's also the schedule of classes. You can sign up for classes and other useful information. But the map and the navigation, being able to easily find, you know, oh, I wanted to go look at diode dynamics. I can just click on exhibitors and enter diode dynamics. There they are, and they are in booth D111. So simple as that. And then I can click right on that and it shows me right on the map where D111 is. Just makes the experience so much better, so much easier to navigate. All right, last thing. So if you're not in the Pacific Northwest and are thinking about attending Expo Mountain West, I am planning to be there in Loveland, Colorado at the end of August, around the 25th or so. I'll put the dates on the screen. So if you're in the vicinity of Expo Mountain West, put that on your calendar. I plan to be at that one as well. All right, I hope you all are having a good summer so far. Hopefully I will see you at Expo PNW, and very soon we'll get back to some real videos. Thanks for watching.